Hi, my name is Cesar, and today I'll be talking to you about my individual reflection on my key activity project on math. The first question, I looked up I used Textually because I looked up a page called towardsdatascience.com, and that's where I was able to find my information. And there was also a graph that was given to me thanks to the page, and the tables I made them by myself on Word thanks to the information that was given to me on the page. And number two, I use mathematical language such as notation, intervals, minimum, maximum, etc., etc. And notation, well, I used that when I was representing my intervals, the decreasing and the increasing. Number three, yes, I found a dependent variable. My dependent variable in my project was the levels of pollution, and my independent was the coronavirus pandemic. Did you write the function or equation that describes or models that select an equation? Yes, I was not able to find a equation, but I was able to make a table. The equation on it was a polynomial equation. It was just that it was very inconsistent, so there wasn't like a set. It wasn't a set type, or it wasn't like a direct numbers, so it was very hard to find an equation. The purpose of this project was for me to understand the elements that go into a function and how to make graphs and how to make tables. What I learned and I was also able to apply it to real world problems such as the coronavirus, which is a really big problem. The strategies that I generated was to investigate on my project, or investigate on my topic, and I was able to. I wanted to make a topic that was very relevant to what was happening in the world. So the coronavirus was a very easy one. Once I investigated on it, I was able to do more research and find graphs that would help my project. Did you listen in an active and respectful way to the proposals raised by your colleagues? Yes, I listened to my teacher. She helped me a lot during this process, so I was able to create my tables and graphs and understand them better. In general, what did you learn from this project? Well, I learned in general, I learned a lot about equations and functions. It was a very big part of my semester this year, so being able to apply them to real world problems helped me a lot. If you had the opportunity to do it again, what would you do differently? I think that I would research a little bit more and make a different topic that's a lot more complicated, because now I'm able to understand it a lot more. So if I had to do it again, I think I would choose a harder and more interesting topic than the coronavirus. Thank you.